come shopping with me for coffee tables. So of course, went back to Active today. I actually did see one like 2 weeks ago that I really wanted to get. Love this. I really wish the black was in white. It would have just done me so good. I love the legs. It's just really so nice. Thought I'd show you guys what they had. I'm realizing that these coffee tables are trending, like the double one, the double effect, and this is one that I really wanted. But honestly guys, 79,000 plus tax is like 90 grand, and I'm not gonna spend 90 grand on a coffee table, so I had to leave this. Sadly, this was a contender, but I really wish the legs were in white. But the price actually was not bad. But I didn't get it because again, I really wish the legs were just not in black. But the top definitely was matching my gray and white theme in my home, and it just sucks to not find anything. This was just giving nothing. I didn't like it, but I guess someone might see it and like it, but it just wasn't giving me anything. And again, it just didn't match my theme, and the legs are in gold. So we stopped at Quartz, and Quartz honestly did not have anything really. Like this don't fit in with the theme at all. This I was like, what is? When I see this, I was like, what is this? But it was cheap, so I guess it will find a home soon. Yeah, I was just looking around the store wondering, Quartz, what's going on? Because a lot of what they had on display, as I said, well, to each his own, but nothing was giving what I wanted it to give or what I hoped it would give. This was definitely a no, of course. This was giving cheap, like literally giving cheap. I did not like it at all. I didn't like the legs. I hated the metal that made the legs. This again, as I said, again, not giving what it's supposed to give. This reminded me of a spaceship. Like, what is this? But and then this was literally like just a piece of wood and was thrown together. It was just not giving. So I decided to make our way down to Singer to see if they had anything in store. Went inside. This is the first thing. That's a no. Love this, but it was a little bit too long for our space. The price was not bad. I actually was gonna buy this at first until I found the one that's coming up next, which is the one that I got. So this is the coffee table that we chose. Guys, why coffee table have to be so expensive? Like,